when I close my eyes, I see you. She wants to lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I do have a new setup. I recently moved, so I still have to unpack and everything. But if you're interested in this wig details, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. I really appreciate it. So this right here is a human hair wig. This is a balayage. It states that it has, I think, 3 or 4 different colors. I will have a link in the description box. I did purchase this with my own coin. The length on this wig is 8 inches. This is a bob. You can also get it in different inches. So this is how it's looking on camera. So this is the front, side. And I ran the flat iron through the back real quick, so it still looks so. That is why. So this is a lace front wig. It does have like lace, does it have parting space? It has like an inch of like a frontal, I would say, in the front part, but it's like a ½ an inch. And then it has a parting space just like right here. So it's basically like a lace front. So this is a human hair. This is a Brazilian. It has been bleached and colored, as you can tell, obviously. So the wig, I was also shocked because this wig is full. Normally when I pay like the price of $50 or $60, I'm expecting the wig to kind of be bald or whatnot. But to me, it's like a real life 150 density. So you're not getting like choppy hair. It's the same length all the way through. So this wig would be great for a Caucasian person, someone who is very, very fair skinned. This will look really, really great on you. As far as shedding, I did not witness any shedding. Of course, no tangling. No, the cap is, to me, on the average fitting side. If you do have a bigger head, it should still fit you as well. I do have my straps adjusted to the smallest, and it fits me comfortably. So I believe this is big head friendly as well. This is gonna be, like I always say, a very quick wig review. I just wanted to show you guys this wig that I have bought with my own coin. I was looking for, like, I don't know, I had wanted to try something different. Maybe next time I will do my eyebrows. Normally, so tips for wearing this color, if you are my skin complexion, do your eyebrows lighter. So instead of going in with like a dark brown, going with like something that's more on the chocolate side, or that's more going to tone down your eyebrows. And then also do like a light, you might have to brighten up your highlight, and then you might have to wear like a nude lip or something like that. Whatever you feel will make it look, you know, more natural, in my opinion. So that is all I have to say on this unit, y'all. Like, I really, really love this color, so I am gonna figure out more tricks to get it to looking more natural, in my opinion. I think my eyebrows should have been like a chocolate color, almost like this color. It would have looked it more better. So yeah, I don't want to ramble and all that. So thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys in my next video.